Clear the elbow.
No. Oh, it's there. It's there.
Step through. Separate. Separate. Reset.
Separate. It's not your game. Separate.
Reset.
That's his game.
Give me one, Grayson. Give me one. Feel it. Left leg up.
Switch.
Again.
Hey, this is a reset.
Hey. Is lined up. Hey, Grayson, same thing. What I just said. Yep, hit it, turn in, under the leg, turn in. Left hand on the belly, yes. Between the legs. Tripod, circle your hips between the legs. Get that hand between the legs. Yes.
You got a tripod.
Swim that way all the way through.
Get one.
Yeah, just get one.
To your feet.
Back to it. You gotta get wrist control.
Circle out.
Sit out.
Just circle out. Bring that down. Hip ice, yes. Keep moving. Keep circling.
Grayson, you gotta get your head up and move.
He's high. Hit it.
He's hard.
That's good. It's bad.
Get one.
Out the back.
Out the back.
Out the back, you won.
Right hand to the hip. Yes, there you go.
There you go. Good.
Throw them legs in.
Hips up.
Help!
On your toes.
On your feet. Get on your feet.
Grapevine.
Good.
You're gonna get half.